I'm still here at the airport. So guess what? We're sitting around, right? And we got a bit hungry. So we come here at Fong Chang Sao, his cafe, and got myself fish and chips. Appreciate it and ate it quickly. Ching ching. Give it my gum. Yeah, anyway guys. I'm gonna have my fish and chips. Oh, I'm gonna show you. Okay. Look at that. Yummy yummy fish and chips. Okay. It comes with a little sauce. Okay. So anyway. Gotta go and enjoy. I don't know what fish it is. Aha, it's tuna. That's the one I like. Okay guys, there. Can't see it eh? Okay. Oh yeah, wait. I got my fan here. Here. You see it? Did you see it? Gives a look. Hey, hey. Well, it doesn't do the trick that my fan does at home. The white one, and this massive fly just flew past. Get away, fly. Rude thing. Anyway, here's some juice, guys. Oh, very nice. True story, guys. True story. Just looks spicy. Yeah. Crunchy. And it's beautiful. Oh, nice. And they fly. Look. Funny you guys can see my I'll bring it down a bit. Can you see it? No, can't I? Okay. Let's just take it up. Look at these ribbons of carrot. Ruby Maneas. Oh, fly. Want some chips? Yeah. Ready with your anyway, 2 people walked up to me today and just wanted to say hello. One was Rudy, okay. Well, I thought you had a nice name. And then the second person that walked up was Jackie. I got her last name too. It's Jackie Valvasa. Yeah. So, appreciate the hello guys. So Faleolo back. Do you watch my channel? I'm excited to watch my channel guys. Thank you very much. My last meal before I leave Samoa. And I know I've told you about 1,000 times I don't want to leave Samoa, but I have to go now. Okay? Oh no. Yeah? This is very nice fish and chips. It's tuna flakes. Or tuna steaks. So lovely. I was telling my sister earlier that all I other one was like chips made of tuna. Get away, fly. Oh, shoo, shoo. And two. God loved me just why he gave me fish and chips before I go home. Oh. No fly, I'm gonna pass it. If I can go all the way down. Where am I flying? You know what I like about this one? They cooked it and it's still nice and soft. Sometimes you overcook tuna and it becomes firm, but this one's cooked just to, you know, to the point that it's cooked, so it's really nice. So I'm thankful to the hands that made them, and thank you to God that provides them. So good. So nice. I knew you cooked it. Big cucumber. Nice and sweet. Nice and sweet because of the menu. Really nice. It doesn't have much lemon coming out of it, enough juice. I was just thinking about the Rarotonga lemon. You squeeze it like... Get away, fly. But this one's got a strong kick. Fly. Oh, hello. You know what? Butterfly spray. Flies are gone. Fly away. No, no thank you. So lovely. So lovely.
Sounds good about the say you're on my big papa, or that's over, or my second, my grandma. Also, in the form of a family in the city, or a lima for my more killer. What's a new passage of water from the training and channel to go to run and I don't know. Our associate, no, up to the office of someone in home. What's happened from my inner, this is a maybe a little office of Lana, for some that's a long name, and to Mama. On a particular terror to match on a bit of London on a TV or later. Into some passage I pay for from a hotel on a tower to go to run and I don't know for
Got water.
Carrot Telephone was still advising women customers of the seeds on the English and said to an farm around 4 Please proceed through to the branch and optional. to complete immigration processing and through the security screening and your final preparation before boarding to ensure on-time departure of this flight.
Thanks guys, thanks for hanging out with me.
Through to the departure lounge now.
Hey ladies,
Once again, we still advise you where many customers on the premises on the inner circuit and set to non-conform forward until these proceed through to the departure lounge now in your final preparation before boarding. To the hospital on the buses, you are on my big buckle, or let's open a hotel and the window floor, for one more hotel in law, on the town, also put to Martin or Luma, one is over the fear for high income, passing to only Faye Lower to the mouth, or no fattering in the left of time.
appetite. Anyway, appetite for the food. Guess what guys? I'm going to tell you guys a secret. I'm getting a tummy ache. Oh no. Oh no, where am I going to go do it? All the way up there. I'm talking about going to the business office. Sis, I'm talking about going to the office. Anyway guys, I don't want to get into details about my get off cry. By my go for the emotional talk to the viewers. Anyway guys, I have to go and find an office, okay? So I can go and post my mail. Hey, I'm not shy. Nah, I'm not gonna post it. Just gonna go and check it out. Okay, I might be coming clean in there, who knows. Anyway, thanks very much for the lunch this. Okay, I'll see you guys later, okay? I'm going to take 2 tablets for my tummy, 1 tablet for my headache. I might need 2 because my sister might be a headache on the plane. I'll ask her if I need 2 tablets. Sis, do I need 2 tablets? No, she says, so she's going to be good to me, okay? See you guys. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Okay, well, I eat my beautiful salmon fish and chips. Yeah. Seki, yeah. Ay kao. Ako ka sa bali ako. Okay, makamako ko din. Yeah, arrive on. Okay. Oh my god. Why? Yeah, arrive on there. Nele ka mo mai kana ka le fa ka ya lako ka ka pikina ko. Look forward for lako ya arrive mai lako ka ka. Ya ese kakubo. Se ma o mo so se me mango foi lá lo. Fer me wo o ya. Qua va foi lá so va. Fer. Oh, MG, I'm like a lost kid. Where is she gone? Oh my gosh, where is she? Oh, how dare she? She's back there. Oh my gosh, she got at least say something. Ay. She just want me to get lost and start crying, eh? I'm crying for my mama. She better watch it. Taula. Eh. When she comes out, I'm going in there. I'm going to buy me some more duty-free or so much to get. Anyway, I'll just wait for her to come out, then I'll go and get me something. Okay, see you later.